Subscribe first, I will show you. Faster! Hi guys, welcome back our L3 Toy channel. This is L3 review, and today we will review the Hubsan Zino 2 and the Hubsan Zino 2 Plus. This is from the Hubsan brand, and the Zino 2 Plus, it is upgraded version from the Hubsan Zino 2. Both design is all same, even the controller and the color and the body size is all same. The only difference is on the top cover, the Hubsan word is already changed to green color. They have 16 add-on the Zino 2 Plus. First, fly to sky. Second, drone. These two, it is in intelligent flight mode. Third, IMU calibration. Fourth, video bitrate for adjust the quality of your video. Fifth, EV exposure value. You can adjust in the camera setting. And the last, metering for measure the brightness. So you can select the multi-point, center or bottom. And the performance, what is the difference? Please look this way. So now we will test on these both drones. Is they have any difference? Let's go!